Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a Premier 250 Intrigue. It's if you notice on the outside, we optioned it with red and black. Then we optioned it with the red and black 400 horsepower motor on the back of it. We did the RL floor plan, so it has this rear lounger right here. But these fold down all the way flat on both sides, or you can have two seats here. Obviously, you can have a seat facing this way, seat facing this way. It's very versatile. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is all the cup holders. You have storage over here, which you're not going to get in any other boat. There's also wireless phone chargers throughout the boat, like right here. JL audio system throughout the boat with a subwoofer included. And nice raised helm. That's one of the things you're going to get with the Intrigue model. Large Simrad display. One of my absolute favorite options on this boat is when you open this up right here, there's a Yeti cooler in there, and you push a button and it raises up. So that's really cool because you can leave your cooler out of the way, but when you need it, it's easily accessible. You don't have to dig down there and kind of pry it open or lift up a heavy cooler to get it out. Literally just push a button and it raises up. You have your phone charger / holder right here. Like I said, 12-inch display from Simrad. Digital shift for that 400 horsepower Mercury with active trim built in. Now up front, if you notice, we have a filler cushion right here. So this is removable if you need to board and exit on the front of your boat, say your dock. That's the easiest place to get in. But you also have a port entry and exit gate right here as well. So again, U-shaped seating. We can install a table up here if that's something you guys would like. But just imagine, you can fit 8 people up here alone, not even including the back section. Let's go to the shade aspects of things. Right now we have the single bimini open. We did option this with twin biminis, or double biminis, excuse me. That front bimini connects to this one right here. But for those convenient days when it's just you and your wife or you and your husband out on the water, you just push a button and this tower is going to fold down or fold up, whichever you'd like. Very convenient for storage. Very convenient for going under bridges and whatnot. So definitely a great tool on this boat. Extra wide ski tow bar right here. This Premier emblem does light up. We have the ricochet ladder down there. So what that does is if you leave it in the water and you forget about it, as soon as you get underway, that ricochets up and stores. You don't want to be one of those people driving around the lake with your ladder just hanging, dragging through the water. You look like a newbie. But again, can't say it enough, 400 horsepower motor on this boat. Tons of power. We have this rear fence right here that these chains tie off to the ski tow bar, so you can sit back here while you're underway. Thank you guys very much. Again, this is Billy with MarineMax Houston. See you soon.